Hey everyone, how you doing? I'm the Chef Aaron, and it's the 3rd of June. So I got a question on my inbox. Somebody asking me how to get a very soft, tender, fluffy, velvety, tasty chapati. Now this is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about something this good, something really peppery, okay, but easily folds and does not crack. Look at that. Simply does not crack. So how do you get to this bad boy? Now I'm going to share my recipe. It's quite a simple one, but to give you a little bit of history, when you go to Calcutta in India, you can go check how those guys, the street is crazy. It's a jumbo street, crazy chapati making back to back. These guys literally have a whole street food cooking of Rolexes. What we have here in Uganda is Rolexes. Those guys also have something pretty much to what they have as a Rolex, but it's amazing how they make it. And their chapatis are really peppery. You might not be the kind that wants a peppery chapati, but in my view, if you want something really soft, you can also have it quite bigger or fluffier and thicker in texture beyond this. All right. So quick into the recipe. Now when you're working with your dough, very simple basic recipe. Start with your flour. I'm going to give you a recipe, okay, of 200 grams of flour. I'm going to give you 5 grams of flour, 3 grams of sugar, and then you're going to get about 2 grams of baking soda, and then you have between 30 to 50 ml of vegetable oil. Now this is something you're going to add in consistently as you work your dough, as you get it going. Some of the things that I think are important is for you to know how to have the liquids and the dries combined. Okay, so when you're starting off, start off with the dry goods. Start off with the flour and the baking soda. Give that a very nice mix, and then in with the water, salt, sugar. So rather start with the flour, salt, sugar, baking soda, and then start working your dough with a little water. Now you're going to add this at a very gentle method. Okay, you want to go gentle with your dough. You don't want to rush into it because you don't want to have it so sticky at the end of the day. So for the water, run with 100 ml. So mix that up until you have a very nicely formed chapati dough. After you've had it, bro, now listen to this. You're going to punch in with your fingers. All right, punch into your dough with your fingertips, and then dig your fingertips into oil and dig them into that same dough, and keep working it for another maybe 5 to 10-15 minutes as you keep working it and stretching it. If you don't have a mixer, it's okay, just keep working it, and then let it rest. It's important for the gluten in your flour, in your dough, to stretch out. Let it just get richer, better, mature. Okay, so that afterwards, when you're done, drizzle about 3 tablespoons of oil on top of your dough. Okay, after you've had it rest, just pour enough oil on top of your dough and let it rest. And then finally get your chapati balls measured out into sizable pieces, roll them out, and then pan fry your chapati. You're gonna have these results, bro. Trust me, this is very soft, very peppery. I can literally just, fold this guy and put him in my pocket. When I get into Mbara, I flap him out that way, and I'll be eating my chapati. So that's how we make fluffy, soft chapati, people. Very easy. I hope I helped you. It was a Tracy. No, not Tracy, it was a Tina. Yeah, should have been a Tina who asked me for chapati recipe. So there you go. You want to make something really soft for a chapati? That's it. I'm out. Chef Aaron. Bye. Love you.